Sunscreen. This is such an important term right now in the skincare world. We all know by now the importance of applying sunscreen on our face each and every day, and we just can't afford to skip it anyhow. Today in this video, I'm going to review one particular sunscreen which lately I'm absolutely obsessed about. Hi guys, my name is Supti and I do videos on fashion, makeup and beauty. I also have an Instagram account where I do share similar content out there. So if you like, you can follow me out there as well. Link will be in the description box. Now earlier I have done a review about a particular sunscreen which is the Biotic Bio Sandalwood Sunscreen, and firstly I would like to thank all of you so much for sharing so much of love for that video. And after Biotic, lately I'm obsessed about another sunscreen which I thought that it's the right time. After using for almost more than a month right now, I thought that why not I share my own opinion and my own review regarding this particular sunscreen. So if you guys are planning to buy this sunscreen, or if you guys are thinking of which sunscreen to go for, then you can watch this video and you can try buying this one as well. Now firstly I would like to say that Biotic is still one of my favorite sunscreen. I still use it at times, but then there are so many products which comes in the market each and every day. So I am not only a hoarder of makeup products, but I'm also a hoarder of skincare products, because I believe that if you have a healthy skin, you will have your makeup look flawless. So skincare is very, very important. So one such sunscreen lately I'm obsessed about is none other than this L'Oreal UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence Sunscreen. And you will see that I've not wearing any makeup on this video, because I'm going to show you the application of sunscreen onto my face, that how it looks before makeup and also under the makeup. So without much further ado, let's start today's video then. Now let's talk about the packaging of this particular product. It comes in a simple plastic packaging and it is 30 ml in size. Now L'Oreal has a lot of different types of sunscreen, but in this range there are 3 different types of sunscreen. The first one is the green bottle, which actually is perfect for the oily skin type because it has a kind of matte finish. This is the blue one. This is actually more of an essence type, so it actually feels like water when applied, so which is best for dry skin. And another one is there which is actually for the even complexion, which is perfectly suited for the normal skin type. I am having a dry sensitive skin, so I picked up this product for myself. I picked up this from Amazon, which is priced ₹412. I feel that since there are 3 different types of sunscreen coming in this range, the common 2 factors are that each and every sunscreen has SPF 50+, and all the sunscreen, in spite of having a matte version coming in this range, they provide hydration for the skin as well. Now since I picked up this particular sunscreen from Amazon, this is also available on Nykaa too. So as you can see that this is a plastic packaging. So here is a nozzle kind of thing from where the product comes out. It has a creamy white texture and just gets beautifully blended onto the skin. So this is how it looks, and when you blend this, it gets beautifully blended onto the skin. And when you blend this, you will feel that as if you are actually applying water onto your skin. It's so lightweight. Now this sunscreen has SPF 50+ with PA+++ and UVA and UVB protection. PA is the protection grade of UVA. PA measures the UVA protection, whereas SPF, that is the sun protection factor, it measures the UVB. UVA normally is the longer wavelength and UVB is the shorter wavelength. So UVA being the longer wavelength, it's associated with skin aging, and UVB, which is the shorter wavelength, is associated with skin burning. So I really like the factor here that it has both the UVA and UVB protection, and that really helps to block almost 98% of the UVA and UVB rays. So now I will show you that how I apply my sunscreen onto my dry, sensitive skin. So after following the other skincare routine, the final step is to wear your sunscreen. And since this is a water-based sunscreen, so it's likely to be non-comedogenic than other oil-based sunscreen. This provides my dry skin the proper hydration without leaving any kind of white cast, because that's very, very important. I hate sunscreen which leaves a kind of white cast on the face, make you look like a ghost, you know. So as you see that this blends beautifully, providing a healthy glow. Now if you feel that you don't want that glow onto your face, you want a matte kind of finish, obviously in spite of having a dry skin, you still want a matte finish, then you can set that with a loose powder or compact powder if you wish. And as you can see that this is how I apply my sunscreen with the tapping motion. And don't forget your neck. The areas which are exposed, apply sunscreen there, because that's very, very important to apply it in the right way. This sunscreen has all the necessary filters including titanium dioxide. Now after applying the sunscreen, I'm straight away applying my makeup. Since the sunscreen has a creamy texture, so applying makeup over it is not at all a problem. The sunscreen is not at all sticky, nor it has any tacky formation, so it's perfect to apply makeup under it. So sunscreen is very, very important in our skincare routine. No matter whether we are indoors or outdoors, we need to apply sunscreen each and every day during daytime. It's very important to apply sunscreen after every 4 hours. I have already done a short video on my Instagram page, so if you want you can check it out there, that how I do apply my sunscreen on top of makeup after every 4 hours. I've already shown there on my Instagram page, so you can check it out there as well. I absolutely love my sunscreen, no matter whether it's Biotic or whether it's Loreal. I just love using these products on my skin. So that was all in today's video. I hope you have got some idea about this sunscreen, and I hope this video has been a little bit helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comment section that what is your opinion regarding this particular sunscreen, or if you have used the sunscreen, or if you are thinking of buying the sunscreen, or whatever there is in your mind regarding this sunscreen. Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Till then, all of you take care and bye bye.